Hey, what's up everybody? There goes my light. Hey, what's up everybody? Jason here. Thanks for checking out the channel today. So here's a simple way you can control playback of a video using the stock Bubble video player. Now, some plugins might have more elaborate controls for knowing when a person clicked play, when they clicked pause, how much of the video they watched. But if you don't need anything as complicated as that, this is a simple way where you can have a pop-up, learn more video, and then have Bubble natively stop that video from playing once the user closes the pop-up. So here's the example. So this is my main production site for my business, and people can click on this button here and they'll get a pop-up with the video. Now, this is just using the built-in Bubble video player, and the problem is if they hit play and they don't like that little jingle,
Hey there, I'm Jason Little, the founder
they click
of
away,
Change, and here's
the video is still playing, so you actually have to reload the page, or you'd have to click the pop-up again and then hit pause because it's just embedding the YouTube video. Now, the built-in Bubble video player does not have any workflow actions you can associate to it, and there's no options in workflow to be able to control video. So it's just a very, very simple thing where you choose your video source and you put the video ID in there, and these are really the only two options that you have. There's no conditions for is video playing, stuff like that. So basically what I want is I want that video to stop once the user closes the pop-up. Here's the pop-up for the video. You can see if I click on the video player, there's no options here. There's no other options here. And if you right click on it, there's no options for starting workflow or doing anything with that video option. So right now I just have the video ID pasted in here, and I'm going to change this to use a custom state. And basically what I'm going to do is when they push that button to load the pop-up, I'm going to load that video ID in the custom state. And then on window close or on pop-up close, I'm just simply going to remove it. So the pop-up element here, click on the little I button. I'm going to add a custom state. I'm going to call that video ID. That's going to be text. I'm going to leave the default value to nothing. Now on my production site, some of these individual element pages they're on will have their own explainer videos. So later on, this is going to give me the flexibility to add some options to basically say, if that element has a video, play it. If it doesn't, then play this default video instead. But let's just leave that for now. So I have the custom state on that pop-up. And now I'm going to go to the button here that they click on edit workflow. So the current action that I have is it's just going to show the element, and then I have some built-in tracking so I know who's actually clicking on it. So what I need to do here is I need to actually set the state of an element, and I'm going to set the state of that element video ID, and then I'm going to grab the video ID here and paste that in. So first I'm going to move this to the front. This makes sure that it's going to load that state first before the pop-up shows, just so there's no little wonkiness with a blank video showing up. And then it's going to show that element. All right, so now in order to stop it from playing, I need to create some workflow on the actual pop-up. So one little trick with Bubble is it doesn't always give you the right option here. So if I right-click that pop-up and hit Start Edit Workflow, it assumes it's on click, and there's no option to change it here. So I don't want that. I want to go into workflow, and then I want to do a when a pop-up is closed action. And the pop-up will be that element video, and then I'm just simply going to clear that state. So set the state of an element. The state is on the pop-up, and the custom state is video ID, and I'm just going to leave it blank. So now if I click this, I can watch the video, close the window, and it stops playing. And that's it. So very simple. So if you were going to use a list of videos or any other way of, say you had a featured video in one section and a list of videos in the other, you can just set those with a custom state. It will automatically switch the videos. So hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.